Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our premium full bar cap cutters. This tool is made for opening up very hard concrete. If it's the cream, the latency, and you just can't cut it, this tool is going to cut it. It's a very soft aluminum alloy with a very heavy concentration of a medium diamond. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 28-inch 700mm spiked roller. Now, the closely spaced spikes are very effective at removing entrapped air in these very fine aggregate self-leveling products. For us, it's a very big seller. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have dual quarter-round PCDs with bar on the tapered edges. Great for machines like Lavina's or whomever has the drive plates to accept those diamonds. This is a great standard coating removal tool. If you want to get rid of an epoxy or a type of like glue adhesive, this is a great tool, has great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 5-inch 125mm Elite Ceramic Cup Wheel. This is a great tool for taking out metal core scratches and leaves a very subtle finish. It can take on some high speeds and it has a great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have a Rhombus Double 16 grit in the medium bond. This tool is a huge seller for us, and if you've used it versus anyone else's tools, you know it's going to outperform them. It's a true 16 grit, heavy concentration, great for a buildup for an epoxy coating or some sort. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 7-inch 175mm premium Aero Cup Wheel. This is a go-to cup wheel for guys who have buildup of a coating or an adhesive they want to get rid of, or they want to just do stock removal. It's a general cup wheel a lot of guys have in their toolbox. Message me now.